Hello everyone and thank you for watching. I do this video to share my knowledge and passion to try to help others. So today I want to share my experience in regard the stock market in the hope that it can be informative for someone. I'm recording this video as of the 6th of March 2021, and during the last 2 weeks the market has been going down and down. Pretty much all the index from the S&P 500 to the Nasdaq and the Dow are been reporting loss, free fall every day, 3-4% down. In this video I want to tell you what exactly is happening and what am I doing in this kind of market, what's my take. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like them, give me feedback. Press the like button or leave a comment. It will be great motivation for me to hear back from you. Alright, where do we start? Let's start with what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the American stock market. They are overall all connected. Many countries depends on the US economy. I do invest in the US stock exchange, although I'm based in Australia for the majority of my life and time. At the moment I'm in Thailand. I use an application that is called Stake that allows to purchase stocks from the American market, although your tax residence is in Australia. Stake, I really recommend it. And I do buy individual company. I invest a little bit in index, but I find more interesting to buy specific companies. My approach to investing is long term, and I do dollar cost average, meaning every week I set aside a little bit of saving of my money that I put constantly every week into the market. So having said that, what is happening? The stock market has been shook up from the coronavirus pandemic in February 2020. From February to March, we have seen the market going free fall down. There's been a major crash, a loss of 30% on the stock, and straight after there has been a very quick recovery. Since March last year, 2020, the market has been constantly going up and up and up. That has been generating a lot of excitement and a lot of hype, and people have been starting investing. A lot of new people have been starting investing in the market, and there's been a lot of euphoria, as if the market was never going to go down. Since 2 weeks ago, however, we are assisting to what I believe is a market correction. The market was overvalued in regard the 4P and the valuation of mostly all the index and the major companies. And what we are assisting is 2 weeks where every company, every major index is losing every day between 2 to 4%, which is quite significant. I believe that everyone was buying out of excitement, and that the market reached a bubble, almost bubble territory, because interest rate have been at lowest point ever, and the bond, the value of the bond, the interest on the bond was extremely low, and people were scared of inflation because there has been a lot of printing of money. So everyone went on the stock market, there was a lot of hype, the market was overvalued as a result of that, and what you are assisting right now, it's a market correction. Nothing to be scared of for a long-term investor. And this is exactly my take on it. I personally invest in the market not for speculating in the short term. I try to focus on business fundamental to evaluate the performance of a business from a financial perspective. And this is what I would encourage you to do. I love investing in the market for two reasons. Reason number one is that I hate to leave my money in the bank doing nothing, dead. I don't like banks in general, and I would like to see my money working for me. I think this is what investment is, to use your money with an understanding of certain areas and put your money to work for you as a soldier, to go fight for you and then come back with wins, with enemies. And the other reason why I like to invest in the market is because I love going against the grain. Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. I think going against the grain is crucial in investing in the stock market. All this hype, it's what the mass generate. While if you think about it, it is just in those moments where people are fleeing the market and the market is going down, where the majority of the great opportunity to buy and to make great deals is done. So I don't care about fluctuation and stock market crash and evaluations of company in the short term. I invest in the market for a 3 to 5 years term, which I believe is to be a middle to long term. So I focus on the business fundamental of understanding a company evaluation based on their financial, based on their PE ratio, based on the amount of debt that they have and the growth of the company, of the revenue during the last 2, 3 to 4 years, which are all informations that are out there. So as long as you invest based on those principles, what is the short-term evaluation of the company? I don't think that really matters. What matters is the real value of the company based on their financial statement and market opportunity. So, to conclude this video, the market is falling at the moment. Do not be scared or afraid if you are in the market already. This is how you will get hurt. If you already are in the market, keep doing what you are doing. If you are doing dollar cost average, putting a little bit of money every week, great, keep on doing it. If you have some stock, that's the worst period of time to sell it. Do not do that. This is how people get hurt. If you are not yet in the market, this is gonna be a great opportunity to start making some position into the market, to buy some stock. There are a lot of great deals out there. You could buy some index, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. If you want to go for the safest route, hardly in the long run you're gonna lose money if you invest in indexes. There are also great deals as company. At the moment, Facebook is very fairly valued. Google has got a good evaluation, and there are also other small players that are deal. Like I'm investing in company like TTCF, Tattooed Chef, and Corsair at the moment, which, to be honest with you, I learn by following other investors in America. I am a fan of Jeremy from the Financial Education channel, and I follow his hint, and then I study the company. I will recommend you to do the same. If you're in Australia, you can use an application that is called Stake to do the same. Let me know if you found this video interesting. Put a like, that would be great encouragement, and I will see you on the next time. Thank you for watching.